everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we are going to be discussing and learning how to log into your Thinkific application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, download and open up the Thinkific application, and in the first interface, type in the name of your academy or organization you'd like to sign in with. After you do so, tap on Continue. Go ahead and select one of the options from the result found, and you will be guided through the sign-in process. It'll take you to a website where you'll need to type in your email and password associated with your account. Type in your email and password correct and tap on Sign In. You can also sign in using one of these social sites at the bottom of the screen. Either way, after typing in your credential, hit the Sign In button, and you will then be able to log in to your Thinkific account. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.